A new Sea Dragon awakens. The J-35A takes flight. China's People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLAN, is undergoing a transformation. At the forefront of this change is the J-35A, a cutting-edge carrier-based stealth fighter. This aircraft signifies China's intent to project power far beyond its shores. The J-35A is not merely a symbol, it's a highly capable warplane. Its stealth technology, advanced avionics, and potent weapon systems make it a force to be reckoned with. The J-35A will operate from China's growing fleet of aircraft carriers. This combination of advanced aircraft and carriers is rapidly altering the military balance in the Asia-Pacific region. The world watched closely on April 24, 2025, as the J-35A achieved a historic milestone. It successfully launched from the deck of the plan's newest aircraft carrier, the Fujian. This launch was particularly noteworthy because it utilized an electromagnetic catapult system, or EMALS. The J-35A's arrival heralds a new era in naval aviation. The J-35A's closest Western counterpart is the F-35C, the United States Navy's own carrier-based stealth fighter. Both aircraft are designed for a wide range of missions, including air superiority, strike missions, and electronic warfare. They share several key features, including stealthy airframes, advanced sensors, and the ability to operate from aircraft carriers. However, there are also some significant differences between the two aircraft. The J-35A is a larger aircraft than the F-35C. This larger size gives it a potential advantage in range and payload capacity. The J-35A is also believed to be faster than the F-35C, although its exact top speed remains classified. In terms of stealth, both aircraft are designed to minimize their radar cross-sections, making them difficult to detect on radar. The J-35A is believed to have a slight edge in maneuverability, while the F-35C may have an advantage in sensor fusion and situational awareness. The J-35A's emergence as a potential competitor to the F-35C has certainly raised eyebrows in Western defense circles. The successful launch of the J-35A from the Fujian aircraft carrier using an electromagnetic catapult system, or EMALS, was a major technological achievement for China. EMALS offers several advantages over traditional steam catapults, which have been the standard for launching aircraft from carriers for decades. First, EMALS is more efficient than steam catapults. It can launch aircraft more quickly and with less stress on the airframe. This increased launch rate could be crucial in a high-intensity conflict. Second, EMALS is more precise than steam catapults. It allows for finer control over the launch speed and acceleration of the aircraft. This precision reduces wear and tear on the aircraft. Third, EMALS is more versatile than steam catapults. It can launch a wider range of aircraft, including heavier aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles. The Fujian's use of EMALS is a clear indication that China is committed to fielding a world-class navy. Section 4. A carrier force emerges, the Dragon's expanding reach. The Fujian is not China's only aircraft carrier. The plan currently operates two other carriers, the Liaoning, a refurbished Soviet-era carrier, and the Shandong, China's first indigenously built carrier. These carriers provide China with a growing capability to project power into the Western Pacific and beyond. China's carrier fleet is expected to grow even larger in the coming years. The plan is reportedly planning to build at least two more carriers, including one that is expected to be even larger than the Fujian. These new carriers will further enhance China's ability to conduct long-range naval operations. The expansion of China's carrier fleet is a major development in the Asia-Pacific region. It has the potential to shift the regional balance of power and complicate U.S. military planning. The United States Navy has long been the dominant naval force in the Pacific. However, China's growing carrier fleet is challenging this dominance. makes it a potent adversary. Section 6, From Imitation to Innovation. China's rise as an aerospace power. The development of the J-35A is a testament to China's growing prowess in aerospace engineering. For decades, China's Air Force relied heavily on Russian-designed aircraft. However, in recent years, China has made significant strides in developing its own indigenous aircraft designs. The J-35A, along with the J-20 stealth fighter, are prime examples of China's progress in this field. These aircraft incorporate advanced technologies such as stealth, fly-by-wire controls, and active electronically scanned array radars. China's rise as an aerospace power has been fueled by sustained investment in research and development, the recruitment of talented engineers and scientists, and the acquisition of foreign technology. The J-35A is not simply a copy of a Western design, it incorporates innovative features and technologies that reflect China's own engineering expertise. Section 7. A new era of naval rivalry. The U.S. response to the J-35A. The emergence of the J-35A has not gone unnoticed in Washington. The U.S. military sees China's growing military capabilities, including its expanding carrier fleet and advanced fighter jets, as a serious challenge to U.S. interests in the Asia-Pacific region. The United States is responding to this challenge in a number of ways. The U.S. Navy is developing new warships and aircraft, such as the Ford-class aircraft carrier and the F-35C fighter, to maintain its technological edge. The U.S. is also strengthening its alliances in the region and increasing its military presence in the Western Pacific. The U.S. and China are now locked in a new era of naval rivalry, one that is likely to shape the geopolitical landscape for decades to come. The J-35A is a potent symbol of this rivalry, and its development is a reminder that the United States can no longer take its military dominance for granted.